Once you get to their website, all you have to do right now is to click on the free trial right here, and this is going to direct you right here where you can see the claim free 1000. All right, just click on the claim free, and then you have to agree to this rule. As you can see, read and accept this rule to continue, which check compliance on every account. Breaking rules can void your trial or payout. As you can see right here, this shows that you can actually get a payout from this particular account. You can get a payout. All right, so as you can see right here, you just have to check out all of this right here, one trial per person and every other single thing. And after doing that, then you can click on the proceed right here. Now the next thing for you to do right now, so this is the next thing you have to do right here. I just have to switch to desktop mode so that I can see every single details shared on the screen. Alright, so you just have to follow all of these accounts and it will check off automatically. Alright, so just click on them, check all of them out, and after checking them out, then you can proceed to getting this. I'm going to do mine right now and I will get back to the video. After doing all of that, as you can see right here, I've done all of mine. All you have to do is just to click on the claim your $1000 account. So just click on it, and as you can see right here, it is going to direct you to this place, which is the next step. But before we proceed, I want you to know that I have gotten this my account, as you can see showing on the screen. I've gotten mine already and I can start trading with it. So if you watch this video to the end, I will show you how you can get yours, and not only that, I'll also be explaining the terms and conditions required to be able to withdraw. All right, as you can see, this is my own personal account right here that I got within few minutes, and I will show you everything you need to know. Just stay with me. Please take a few seconds to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can keep getting updates from me each time I drop videos on how you can make money online. And also don't forget to join my update channel, which is my Telegram channel. That is where I also drop updates as well. Alright, and then let's proceed to how you can get this particular free account to your advantage. So once you get here, the next thing for you to do is to just input the details required, and you can also go through this particular times right here. The account is 1k, the maximum drawdown is 4%, and daily drawdown is 4%. All right, and some other details you need to know about this. So just input the rest, and after doing all of that, then you click on activate free challenge and you wait patiently for it to load. So after loading, I've been able to get it. As you can see right here, your free challenge, 2-step phase 1 account is ready to trade. As you can see right here, this is my details right here. I just have to copy all of these, as you can see, and I have blurred mine out for security reasons. And then after copying, then you click on go to dashboard. All right, so as you can see right here, this is their dashboard, and this is everything right here. This is my account right here. As you can see, now I can start trading. Now if you click on this key right here, it is going to display your credentials. As you can see right here, this is mine. I just have to head over to the MT5 app and input my details to start trading with this particular account. So as you can see right here, after logging into my MT5, I've been able to get mine already, and this shows that you can also get yours as well, and I can start trading with this particular account. All right, so go ahead right now and get yours. As you can see right here, very simple and straightforward. And don't forget, you can also get payouts from these. As you can see, this particular person was able to get this particular account, and this is it right here. And he decided to share this particular update with me, and that is why I am able to share this particular video with you guys. All right, so this goes for everybody. If you have an update that I can share with people on the platform, just ensure you drop the details to me in my DM so that I can be able to share it with people and they can also benefit from it. So I've shown you guys how you can get this particular free funded account that you can also get a payout from. I've also shown you how you can get the terms and conditions as well. And I believe this is everything you need to know about this particular free account. All right, so this will be the end of this video. I hope you've been able to get yours. Please, once you're watching this video, ensure you go and get yours immediately. I have been able to claim mine now, and I don't want you to miss out. All right, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.